Am I wasting my time? How are you? This is the Biostar B250M motherboard. It's tiny, it's affordable. I guess you could also say cheap. It's the only cheap motherboard currently available on my market for Gen 6 and Gen 7 Intel CPUs. I got a i5 6600 over there, and it's pretty good. So because of that motherboard is not working apparently, I was hoping to get a motherboard. Let's see if it works. This is the second B250M that I ordered because the first one didn't work. And since then I also got a different power supply, in case that was the reason. Here it is. It is so tiny. Before we do anything, speaker over here, so we're gonna attach that. Hopefully get some feedback from trying to make it run without anything attached. So first we're gonna attach power. Okay, power supply is on. Now I just need to find the power button connection. Looks like these over here, so let's put that in there. And I'm gonna press a button while the power supply is running. Okay, turn it off. Okay, so now we have two connections. Let's check that. Okay, but nothing else. Motherboards don't seem to just report problems anymore, do they now? So I guess we just put in the CPU. From the old Mobo. Right, so I'll just connect this to the display off screen cooler. The CPU fan is over here. I know, it's just a freaking test. Also, let's try out the other speaker. Maybe this one is just broken. And turn on the power supply. It's not spinning yet. And okay, the fan is working. I'm glad that this happened, because it means that it knows that something is wrong. Gee, there is a freaking CD in here, what the heck? Let's see. I'm afraid this manual, this is not a manual. This quick start thing does not have a beep, 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 beep error message code descriptions. I'm gonna have to download the manual. I might add a page from the manual and read it out using editing magic.
Yeah, continuing beeps, which is what I had, means memory sizing error or memory module not found, and the latter is what happened.
But for now, let's just pop in RAM. Where did I put it? Over here. RAM, DDR4, currently super cheap. I don't know why. I mean, super cheap, like in 2015. I guess I should populate DIMM A first. Whatever, I'll just put them both in. Snappy. That sounds good. Power on. And is it gonna beep? Well, I don't see anything on the screen yet. It's not beeping. It turned off. It turned on again. There's a beep. No, it's turning on. I just saw the screen pop up, so awesome. Just gonna clean up first. I think this one I already did, yeah. And yeah, I'm just using the stock cooler. I don't know what to say about that. I don't know if it's worth it. I just really don't know if I'm gonna use this computer much. I did buy the RAM. Man, I don't know why I'm doing this anyways. Okay, let's prime these. I have no idea how to do that. I never remember.
Turn the push pins clockwise 90 degrees to reset them. Reinsert the fan and find the push pins. Press the push pins in the order shown to secure them. Plug the fan connector from the fan header.
Maybe like this. Let's put the poison on here. Don't worry about me or my hardware too much, please. So I actually brought my CPU to a guy I wanted to buy a motherboard from. I thought it was compatible, but it was a weird one where this was split up, so that didn't work. But I did get a power supply from him, which might have been the cause of my problems. I don't know, maybe I'll donate this to him as thanks, because he kind of verified that my CPU is still alive. Okay, that's the cover. I don't know why the HDMI is closed, but whatever. Could have moved one over there first. So I have a fan here. I think that would be system fan 1 maybe. So there's only one fan header. Alright, happy. Oh, speaking of happy, I forgot to put in the freaking power supply. You know, I used to be excited about building computers. Now it just means the annoyance of installing Windows anew. I guess that's how you know that you're getting old. As a gamer question mark. All right, 1 and 2 and 3. So we have SATA 3, 4, 2, 1.
I'm gonna guess 50% of you are here because you need to know where the pinheads are, so I'm gonna just show you.
Which one? Here. This is the one, so we have speaker, LED for HDD, power LED, Why does it have two pluses? I have no idea. Reset and on-off. On-off is the only thing that matters, really. Here they are on the board. Alright, these are the reset pins, just take my word for it. So that's where they go. This is the power switch. Direction doesn't matter. Never in my life will I remember whether white is plus or the color is plus. The white is marked negative. Oh yeah, I could tell by these guys. Whoops. There we go. And there we go. All done. HD audio over there. USB over there. USB 3. Over there. I guess we're gonna put the graphics card in. Am I wasting my time? Okay. Alright, cool. Now I just need to install Windows. Whoopty-ki-yay! Motherboarders. So this thing works. I guess you can buy it. Be aware that it only has one system fan connector. Why are you watching this?
Maybe you're watching this because you are lonely and afraid. I'm not judging. So here's the product page, and we can see it supports 6th and 7th generation Intel Core processors, which means it supports 7700T and K and nothing, and 6700K and 7600TK nothing, 7500T nothing, 7400, and then the 6th gen CPUs, which are a much bigger variety, and then there's a bunch of Intel Pentium processors. I wonder why these exist. Anyways, I have the 6600. It was the most powerful 65 watts TDP CPU back then, and I was shorter on cache back then. There's a bunch of memory support. Now this is the RAM I got, and I don't think it's... Oh, it's actually... Wait, what? No, actually this is by Gail, but I have G.skill, whatever. I mean, you can see it works, so don't worry about this, I guess. It's Intel B250 single chip architecture. The Wikipedia page list of Intel chipsets is what you need if you don't know what that means and want to find out. But basically over here you can see, strangely enough, the stuff on the left side is so uninteresting. What really matters are the supported USB port numbers. So we have up to 6 USB 3.2. Maximum RAM speeds, maximum RAM capacity. Yeah, it has 4 SATA connectors, 1 PCIe slot, 4 onboard USB 3.2 Gen 1, and only 1 system fan connector, which is a bit annoying. And yeah, the support for 6th and 7th generation Intel Core i7, i5, i3, and some Pentium. That's why anybody cares about this board, and because it's the cheapest one. So that is it. Let me know why this video was useful to you. I genuinely would like to know, because I don't even know anymore. I will see you only if you write a comment, or you will see me in the next video that happens to be on a topic that you need in your life at some point, because why would you subscribe because of this video? Seriously. Until next time, I love you so much. I don't even know you, but I do.